everyone, it's Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center DFW, a dealership powered by Vogt RV. And today is such a big day. We are officially announcing our partnership with Nomad RV, and what better to kick it off with doing a full walkthrough of our 2026 Nomad Euphoria. And I can't wait to show you. So let's waste no more time and let's get started. Now let's start with the chassis and the performance. The 2026 Euphoria is built on a 144 all-wheel drive chassis. It is the 3500, so it's the 1-ton platform, giving you serious capability paired with the Nomad's lightweight design philosophy, meaning that this rig stays nimble without sacrificing the strength. Up front, you've got your Flatline Van bumper that is a wraparound, plus the 12,000-pound winch with the synthetic rope. Full skid plate protection, which is an option, and the upgraded Van Compass suspension with the Falcon shocks, giving you incredible comfort for both off and on the pavement. Rolling on the KO2 all-terrain tires and the 33-inch Rico wheels, this is going to be an unbelievable setup for you to really take those adventures off-grid and off those unbeaten paths, keeping everything nice, safe, and nimble. And those who are loading up for a long trip, one of my favorite highlights is the fact that with this, they have tested it. You get over 2,000 pounds of occupation carrying capacity. That's so much things that we can add, and including in the pass-through storage that I'm about to show you. But down the side, you'll notice the adjustable accordion steps. So no matter what terrain you're on, that's gonna give you a nice even walk in and out of your coach. So let me show you the pass-through because you are going to want to see this. So now we're in our pass-through storage, and you can obviously see how much space you have. In here, it is heated and temperature controlled, so we have our gauge right up here. We also have our tank monitoring and our outdoor shower should we need to hose off anything, but we can store our bikes in here. It comes equipped with your tracks to be able to pull you out of any sticky situation. Like, this is amazing. This may now be my new clubhouse. You want to join? So of course, there's always going to be a party here in the back with Nomad. We have our Flatline Van Company storage box, which can also be an outdoor table with this bottom portion coming down. Your top would come up. We also have our full-size spare tire, and what's really cool about this is this works for both the rear and the front tires. So it really keeps you, going if something happens out there on the road without having any repercussions. We love it. Got our Baja lights too, so be able to really brighten up the areas once when it goes dark. Now, let's head on inside because that's where the real fun is about to start. The Nomad really knocked it out of the park with both durability and design. Check it out, all of this cabinetry, full aluminum. It's powder coated, so you don't have to worry about any chipping or anything of that sort. It is going to last, and that's what they build it for, built to last. It does not lack storage. You have several storage compartments, if I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and it goes all the way back. So again, not lacking storage there. Right on my right side is going to be our shower, full length mirror for us girlies. And I have so much headspace, but I'm also 5'6". In the shoes, I'm probably about 6 feet. You have over 6.5 feet of headspace in this motorhome. So you don't have to worry about our taller folks having to bend our heads or anything of that sort, which I really love. With our countertops, they are full surface and the beautiful color of white, easy to clean. Get one of those magic erasers, and it's gone. Full deep farm style sinks with our lovely black finishes. You guys all know I am a sucker for black finishes. Our coach does have dual pane windows that open the awning style. We have our bug screen and our shade. So we don't have to worry about any creatures coming in, or if we want to black it out while we're sleeping and we don't want any light for our non-early risers, then we don't have to. It's really nice because they have made such a beautiful coach, giving you both the kind of foresty look and camp vibe look with your touches of luxury as well. So we're going to rotate this around and I'm going to show you the backside. But I almost forgot one thing. We have a convection oven, microwave, and air fryer right here in our coach. We're only sitting 22 feet. So if you can imagine just the space that we have in there in this length of a chassis, it is amazing. I mean, I could do a full spin around. I could have a party in here. I'm gonna show you our booth dinette. It comes with seat belts, and you just have the capability of doing so much inside of just the 144. They also make it on a 170, giving us a little bit longer and a little bit more space. Now, with the Nomad RVs, they are true 4 seasons, and that is great for all of our campers that still like to do all year round camping. Now with the AC, we are the 48-volt Nomadic AC. So it is still hot here in Texas in November, very humid, and this is keeping up with that temperature, especially with all of our windows, and we are on the sun side, so it is beaming in. I am still cool in here. But I have to tell you guys about my favorite part. So again, in this size of an RV, we still have a fridge and freezer. This is the NovaCool fridge freezer combo. Look at all that space that I can put my Jimmy Dean sandwiches. This makes me happy. But look at all this space I can put my ice cream. This makes me even more happy. They finished the space with a mixture of you can either do birch or cedar for the wood touches. And they really do all of this to cut weight and be able to make a unit go off-grid and be more nimble out there without having the overload of it. The insulation package includes the PET foam and vacuum bonded polymer composite walls and is made right here in Texas. You have a 6-inch memory foam mattress, super comfortable, and they have the springs in here to make it even more comfortable for you. Seatbelts in our booths here so we can travel up to 4. This will actually turn into a bed as well, so you can have additional sleeping with you. In terms of that, you have 3 zones of heating. Garage, here in the middle, and then right up into your cab area before we actually get into the cab. You're gonna have tons of storage. Again, so many. Beautiful lighting. I love these windows. I can't say enough. But let's talk tanks. Everything is gonna be PEX pipes with the crimp fittings. 50-gallon fresh water, 31 gallons gray. Can you imagine how long you can be out there? Not to mention, this is with the 48-volt system. You have the 16.9 kilowatts through lithionics and 1080 watts of solar up top. Again, that is keeping you out there for a long time. We love it. And I want you to come and check it out because you're gonna love it too. So we're up here in the cab. And again, this is built on the Mercedes all-wheel drive 3500 chassis. It is a 1-ton platform. We have all of our safety features still, so the collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection. Nomad RV did incorporate the Furion camera system, so we have a backup camera rolling all the time as we were traveling down the road, which I love because I like to see what's going on behind me when I'm traveling, and it's really helpful just in those cases of traffic. We have our lights controls up here. So that is an upgraded feature. They have the triple R lights, they have the fog lights, so all of those can be controlled right up here in the front, which is great if we are traveling in the midst of the night on a uncharted path and we want to light it up just a little bit to make sure that we are not in danger. So thank you so much for watching our video. We truly appreciate it. This is the first official look of the 2026 Nomad Euphoria here at Leisure RV Center DFW. And we couldn't be more excited to bring on Nomad as one of our partners and family members. I want you to come and walk around the unit in person, join us so we can show you all the capabilities that this motorhome has.